Yeah, one of my teachers, he told me that after Rupa Goswami left, then he went to, this is his bhavana, his idea, conception. He said, Rupa left. Then he left all these books. And then he was watching how everyone was reading and studying and practicing. Well, because he was very concerned. That's why he had so much karuna. He wrote all these books. Ujjwal Nilamani, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Upadeshamrita, and you know, so many books. Stavamala. So they said, oh, they're not quite getting it, you know, they don't, people are, I see now in the 1500s, people knew Sanskrit very smart, but now people are not so smart, you know, a couple hundred years have gone by, Manda Samanda Matyo, Manda Bhagyu Padrata, intelligence is going down, and day by day, it's in 11th canto, it says, Anudinam, Bala Smriti, Anudinam Bala Smriti. It says day after day, one's physical strength, Bala Smriti, memory power, intelligence is decreasing more and more. So then I have to do something to keep this knowledge fresh and live. So Rupa came back as Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. He wrote Ujjwal Nilamani Kiran, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu. And then he wrote a comment to Ujjwal Nilamani Tika. You know, Jiva Goswami said this 500 years ago, his Tika Ujjwal Nilamani. But I want to explain about Parakya Bhav, and about what happens to the sadhaka when he leaves his body. How does he enter into Bhoma Vrindavan? So I have to tell more, because I didn't. So Rupa came back as Vishwanath to add tikas to his own books, to give the comments on his own books, and give additional explanation. So this is what you're experiencing with the association with Vishwanath. One of my Shiksha gurus from long ago, Nityadhamaka Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Swami Maharaj, he said, my only aspiration, my only desire, my only aspiration is to become a particle of dust at the feet of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. He installed his murti he has a temple in Sevakunj called Rupa Sanatana Mandir. And in there, in the front, by the Darshan Mandap, on one side he has Rupa Goswami murti, like Diorama. On the other side, Vishwanath Chakravarti. Because he's so much adar and so much respect for him, you know. So he's the magnifying glass to see exactly what Rupa Goswami is saying. That's what someone said also. They said, Rupa Goswami took all, because it says in 6 Goswami Astakam, Nana Shastra Vicharanaika Nipano Sadharma Sanstapako Lokanamita Karano Chubuvane Manyo Sharanya the Radha Krishna Padaravinda Bhajano Nandena Sam whatever Vande Rupasana. So he says that Nana Shastra Vicharanaika Nipano. They were Nipan, the 6 Goswamis were Nipan, Nana Shastra, various Shastras, Nana Shastra Vichar. They read so many Upanishads and so many Puranas and so many in the Mahabharata and everywhere they read, Bhagavatam, everywhere they read, to extract the essence of bhakti, of this Madhurya Bhakti, of Braja Bhakti, and then they put it in their books. So all of those Nana Shastra Vicharanaika Nipano, all that Shastra was like sugarcane. And they put the sugarcane through the machine, the big steel rollers, and they got the juice out. And then that juice became Ujjwal Nilamani, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, etc. And Brihad Bhagavatamritam, Sandarbhas, like this. So now Vishwanath came along and said, wait a minute, you went through once or twice with the cane, and you threw it. But I'm going to fold again, and again, fold in half, and again, and put through, and extract every last drop out of what the Goswamis have given us. This is called niryas. Niryas means rasa niryas. Rasa niryas is how my teacher explained to me. Niryas means to extract every last drop, and this is the analogy he gave me, and you can watch these sugarcane guys. They put this sugarcane, these stalks, this sugarcane, it's like a piece of bamboo with juice inside. They put it through the machine, they force it through the machine, and fold it so many times. By the time they're done, it's so dry, it's like a sponge. There's not a drop of juice inside. So this is like Vishwanath is like the Rasa Niryas. of Rupa's writings or whatnot.